A lot of dishes come from memories that I remember. So I treat eating every day, every meal as a chance to learn about food. When creating a dish, it's about putting together all these fond memories about eating and then creating something that I call my own. Hi, my name is Aven Lau. I'm the chef de cuisine of restaurant Épure. Basically for me, the dish was created because I once had dinner with my family when I was younger, and they had this chicken dish that was a smoked chicken dish. I was 12 years old and it still stuck with me until now. So I wanted the customers and the diners to be able to enjoy the quail in one bite. For this quail dish, we take the breast off of the quail carcasses. We lightly brine the breast. We debone the legs of the quail and then we make a stuffing with it. So if you're actually combining all these different steps and procedures, it gives it that added layer of flavor, right? You want to create a long-lasting impression on your customers to think that they've never seen anything like that in a restaurant before. This whole quail gets roasted on the charcoal grill. We lightly glaze it. We finish it off with crispy croutons, some chives and some flowers. Plating and how the food looks is very important to me. Both nature and art actually inspire me because you're seeing something different compared to what you're seeing in the kitchen every day. So the bell epok has slight floral notes to it, so it really complements without overpowering it. Whenever I'm creating a dish, it's about trying to make it simple as possible, but with the maximum amount of flavor in just a single bite.